In this video I will show you how to save 30% of your battery power. Go to Settings, General, Accessibility, Display Accommodations. On the bottom of the list is this so important Reduce White Point option. You can adjust the percentage of reducing white light. It is highly recommended to be used when you can, mainly during the night or in closed spaces, best for gaming, browsing, reading, chatting, or whatever you are doing on your phone. You can also add Reduce White Point option to your control center. When you add accessibility shortcuts to control center, your eyes will feel more comfortable for longer periods of watching display and its brightness.